Hello friends, in today's video I will show you how to crochet this granny pentagon star. I am using this yarn ball, 5mm crochet hook, a cutter and a yarn needle for sewing. So let's get started. First of all, make a slip knot and then with the help of crochet hook start making chains. So make chain 1, chain 2, chain 3, chain 4, chain 5 and then chain 6. After making 6 chains, make a slip stitch into the first chain to form a ring, and now we would work into this ring. Make chain 1, chain 2 and then chain 3. This will be counted as a double crochet stitch. After that, make a double crochet into the ring and then again make a double crochet into the ring. Now make chain 1, chain 2 and then chain 3 for the first quarter of pentagon. After that, make double crochet 1, double crochet 2 and the last one is double crochet 3 into the ring. Again make chain 1, chain 2 and then chain 3 for the second corner of pentagon, and again make double crochet 1, double crochet 2 and then double crochet 3 into the ring. Now cut this starting yarn and now again make 3 chains for the third corner and make 3 double crochet stitches into the ring. Again double crochet 1, double crochet 2 and then double crochet 3. Now adjust these double crochet stitches a little bit and then make 3 chains and then 3 double crochets into the ring. This is the last set of 3 double crochet stitches. And now for the last corner, make 3 chains, chain 1, chain 2 and then chain 3 and make a slip stitch into the third chain. Now first round is completed. For the second one we have to work into this chain 3 space. So make a slip stitch into this double crochet stitch and then make a slip stitch into the next double crochet stitch and then make a slip stitch into the 3 chain. Now make chain 1, chain 2 and then chain 3, which will be counted as a double crochet stitch, and now make a double crochet into the chain 3 space. Again make a double crochet into the chain 3 space. Now make chain 1, chain 2 and then chain 3 and again make 3 double crochet stitches into this chain 3 space. So double crochet 1, double crochet 2 and the last one is double crochet 3. make chain 1 and then work into the next chain 3 space by making 3 double crochet, 3 chains and 3 double crochet stitches. So double crochet 1, double crochet 2 and then double crochet 3 into this chain 3 space, make 3 chains, and after that again make 3 double crochet stitches into this chain 3 space, double crochet 1, double crochet 2 and the last one is double crochet 3. Again make chain 1 and into next chain 3 again make 3 double crochet stitches. After that 3 chains, chain 1, chain 2 and then chain 3 and then 3 double crochet stitches again into the same chain 3 space. So in this way make chain 1 and make 3 double crochet, 3 chain and 3 double crochets in this next chain 3 spaces also, and complete this round. Now in the last make chain 1 and then make a slip stitch into the third chain to finish the round. Now we have to work into this chain 3 space again, so make slip stitch into the next double crochet stitch, slip stitch into the next double crochet stitch and then slip stitch into this chain 3 space. Now make chain 1, chain 2 and then chain 3, which will be counted as a double crochet stitch. After that make double crochet 1, double crochet 2 and then double crochet 3 into this chain 3 space. Now we have total of 4 double crochet stitches including the 3 chain. Now make 3 chains and make 4 double crochet stitches again into this chain 3 space. So double crochet 1, double crochet 2, double crochet 3 and then double crochet 4, and now into this chain 1 space make a single crochet. Now into the next chain 3 space work again, make double crochet 1, double crochet 2, double crochet 3 and then double crochet 4 into this chain 3. After that make chain 3 and then double crochet 1, double crochet 2, double crochet 3 and the last one is double crochet 4 into this same chain 3 space. Again into the next chain 1 space make single crochet. So in this way complete the round by making 4 double crochet, 3 chains and 4 double crochet in each chain 3 space and single crochet in the chain 1 space. So I have completed this round. Now in the last, to properly finish this round, make a slip stitch into this chain 3 space. Now For the next round, make chain 1 and make a single crochet into this chain 3, make a single crochet into the next double crochet stitch, and then make 2 double crochets in the next 2 double crochet stitches also. After that we have to work into this chain 3. So wrap the yarn around the crochet hook, go into this chain 3, draw a loop and pull the yarn through 3 loops together. This is half double crochet stitch. So make half double crochet 3, half double crochet 4, and then half double crochet 5. So we would make 5, then half double crochet 6. So we would make half double crochet 6 times into this chain 3. Sorry, 7 times. We would make half double crochet stitches 7 times into this chain 3. After that we would make single crochets in the next double crochet stitches. So make single crochet in the next single crochet stitch also, and then again in the next 4 double crochet stitches make single crochet 1 time in each, and then again in the next chain 3 we would make half double crochet stitches. So make half double crochet 1, half double crochet 2, half double crochet 3, half double crochet 4, half double crochet 5, half double crochet 6, half double crochet 6, and then half double crochet 7 is the last. Now in this way make single crochet in every double crochet and the single crochet stitch, and 7 half double crochets in each chain 3. So I have completed this round. Now in the last make a single crochet into this single crochet stitch, and then you can make a slip stitch right here in this first single crochet stitch, or other method is that pull the yarn a little bit, cut it with the help of cutter and remove the extra yarn strand, and now go into this single crochet stitch and pull this yarn at the back side of star, and now into this single crochet stitch. Only in the back loop, go into the back loop and pull this yarn at the back side, so it will be a nice ending side. Now with the help of yarn needle pull this yarn end through back side stitches. So go into some single crochet stitches right here and weave this yarn end so that our work gets secured. So go into these single crochet stitches and then some half double crochet stitches also, and after that cut this extra yarn strand with the help of cutter, and now the star is ready. If you like it, give our video a huge thumbs up and do subscribe to our channel also. Press the bell icon and then all option also to get notifications. So thank you so much for watching my videos and appreciating my work. Bye.